Hey y'all, so I have tried HelloFresh officially for one entire month. Just to prove it to you, here's just some of my meal cards that I kept. Yeah, I've tried a lot of HelloFresh. Today I'm going to be giving you all of my opinions. This video is completely unsponsored, but you know I got a coupon code for you. If you want $120 off your first HelloFresh meals, that $120 gets divided throughout about 6 weeks. I will leave my coupon referral link code down below. Anytime you guys use that code, I do get $10 off HelloFresh. So thank you so much to everyone who uses that code. So after 4 months, I want to go over a few things. I want to go over what was my favorite meal? What was my least favorite meal? What did I think of the selections? What did I think about the quality of the food? Was the food good? Was it quick to prepare? I'm going to be getting into all of that. If I don't go over something you do have a question about, make sure to leave it down below in the comments. And I'm also going to be doing an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing since my first one, so over a month ago. So I'm also going to show you what I ordered for this week's dinners and everything they sent in my box. So let me tell you over the past month what my absolute favorite meal has been and what I've also recreated because it was just that good. So without a doubt, it would be this meal here. I have no idea how you pronounce this, but this is actually what I order when I go to Korean restaurants. I think it's called bibimbap, but it's basically a rice dish with veggies topped with an egg. Super good. I'm really glad I learned how to make it because now I can make it at home. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm trying HelloFresh, because sometimes when I go on Pinterest or something and I look up recipes, it's kind of the same old thing. Like, I don't think I would have ever looked up this recipe. So I'm glad I know how to make this. I've already made it 3 times this past month because it's really that good. So what was my least favorite? So I wouldn't say this recipe is bad. It's just like, I think I could have made this on my own. 1 week, these are beef and cheese tostadas. 1 week I forgot to actually choose my meals. So HelloFresh just sent me a couple meals and I actually liked everything they sent except these. I felt like wasn't really worth the money. So let's go ahead and talk about, is it worth it as far as how much it costs? And I'm gonna try to give you an idea of what I pay each week. So I used someone's coupon code, so I got the $120 coupon and it spread out throughout the weeks. My first week it was under $30. I think it was like $28 is what it came out to be. And I think that's a great deal. 3 meals, actually you get 6 servings. So technically 6 servings for $30 was great. However, when it started getting to my 4th week, I think my 4th week, they charged me, it was around $60 to $70, which is a little pricey. So as far as, is it worth it as far as like money-wise goes, I feel like I can definitely make cheaper meals. So if I didn't have a coupon code or credits, I can't say that I would pay $70 for 3 meals. I would pay that if it was takeout and I didn't have to make or prepare the meals and clean up the dishes. But yeah, I think a coupon code or credits is definitely the way to go with HelloFresh, and that is just my honest opinion. So quality of the food. In the past month, have I received any food, probably vegetables, meat, anything that was rotten, spoiled? I haven't. Everything that I've received. And I should also mention, sometimes it takes me like 3 days after I receive the box, 3 or 4 days to cook some of these meals. Like if something comes up and I end up eating out one day and a meal I was supposed to have on Saturday, I have it on Sunday, I've still noticed that the fresh vegetables are still fresh. So pleasantly surprised about that. Something I have had to do with pretty much every meal is make rice separately. They give you like a little thing of rice in each meal, but I like my carbs and it's just not enough for me and my husband. What they give you is pretty much as we eat, maybe not even as much as we eat. So what I've been doing is I've been just putting their rice in my rice cooker with some of my own basmati rice that I like to buy. Sometimes I use jasmine as well. And I just make more rice to make the meals more filling. And I also sometimes will make rolls or an extra side and dessert. So As far as, is it enough food? For someone like me who practices intermittent fasting and I don't really eat breakfast or lunch and dinner is my only meal usually, it's not enough. I have to make something extra. And again, I'm just being honest with you. You know, this is an unsponsored video. So yeah, if you plan on using this as like your only meal per day, probably not gonna work out. But if you were just using this, like maybe you work from home and you wanted to make lunch for you and your husband one day, I think this would be a great choice. But I definitely find myself having to add something to every single meal each time I make it. All right, that's just kind of like a brief summary of my past 4 weeks. I've really enjoyed it, like I said. I'm gonna show you what I ordered this week, and I'm also gonna share a quick unboxing and show you what I got. So I'm probably not going to do another one of these videos, maybe for another month. I may actually quit HelloFresh in the next couple of weeks because like I told y'all in the first HelloFresh video, I want to try the different services. I've done HelloFresh, I've done Blue Apron. Maybe, is it called Every Plate or Freshly? There's one that someone was talking to me about in my Instagram DMs the other way. So I think that one's going to be my next like food service unboxing. I think these are fun to do. So let's unbox this week's meals and see what I got. I did forget to kind of talk about meal selections. I will tell you each and every week, they have had great selections. For me personally, if you like maybe like Asian food or Hispanic food, Indian food, they have a lot of curries, Asian inspired dishes. HelloFresh would probably be a good choice for you if that's what you like. I have not repeated any of the meals that I've ordered because each week they do offer me different options, which I appreciate. So these are all new to me. Let me know if you want me to do another review on these, or if you just like how I do these like once a month. You guys just let me know. I don't want to overboard you with HelloFresh content. This is Caribbean style curry beef bowls. Love curry. So super excited to make that one. This is what I'm making tonight right after this video. Firecracker meatballs with roasted green beans and jasmine rice. These look good. This is a spicy dish. HelloFresh, they do have vegan options and I have tried a few. Actually, I think they're vegetarian and not vegan. So I don't think this box would be great if you're vegan, but if you're vegetarian, I've noticed each meal selection, they have usually at least 2 or 3 options. So great for vegetarians. Chicken sausage spaghetti bolognese or bolognese. I don't know how you say that. Anyway, this just looks good, a good pasta dish. So let me show you what's in the box. So if you're new to HelloFresh, this is how your box looks whenever you get it. Everything is packaged in here in separate brown bags. So here's everything for the spaghetti. All right, we got a zucchini. We got this chicken stock. We got, these are so cute. These are little things, the sour cream. This is the Italian seasonings. I really enjoyed their seasonings. This is crushed tomatoes, Parmesan, and spaghetti. All right, here's the curry bowls. And I do want to mention this did get a little wet. So underneath your food, there's actually ice packs. So depending on where you live, your experience probably will be a little different. You guys know I live in a really warm climate area. It was about 80 degrees yesterday and really humid. So my box, the ice did melt a little bit. I don't think it'll ruin any of the food inside, but I did just want to note that. But no big deal, really. There's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm going to go quick. A little garlic bulb. A little pepper, yellow bell pepper. These are peaches, green onion, cauliflower rice, ground cumin, and chicken stock, paprika, shawarma spice, and more cauliflower rice. Here's the meatballs, which I'm most excited about. So here's those little things of rice that I told y'all it's just not enough, so I always make a lot more. Sour cream, ponzu sauce, honey, a big thing of mayonnaise, green onion, sriracha, panko breadcrumbs, and green beans. Okay, so underneath those bags was this cardboard that's a little wet. This is what's keeping the ice packs from melting. Someone in my last video wanted me to show how big the ice packs are. So here's my hand. It is leaking, so it's pretty big. It covers almost the whole bottom. And I'll show you the meat that was sent to me. And it actually looks like I have something extra. Oh, this is exciting. So they told me that I earned a reward. I didn't really know what that meant. And then I clicked on it. It said you can get an extra, it said you can get like an extra cookie or something like that. This is what they gave me, New York Cheesecake. Yeah, so I didn't order this. I think the more boxes you buy, the more rewards you get. I believe that's how it is. So I think this is my 5th box or 6th box at this point. So that's why I got that reward. Ground beef. Got 2 pounds of that. And we also got some sweet Italian chicken sausage. All right, y'all, I hope this video was helpful if you've been trying to decide if HelloFresh is right for you. If you have a question about HelloFresh, just leave it down below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. I'm not a pro or anything, but I think I've tried it enough to where I kind of have the system down now. Again, I'm gonna leave that $120 off your first HelloFresh meals coupon link down below. Thank you to everyone who uses it to sign up. And I will see y'all very soon, either for another HelloFresh meal unboxing or maybe from a different company. Leave your suggestions down below and I'll see you then. Bye, y'all.